Hello, I'm Jeremy from TurboTax with some important information about your IRS payroll taxes. If you are an employee, I'm sure at one time or another you've looked at your pay stub to find a large portion of your income withheld before you even got paid. All of these withholdings are called payroll deductions that relate to different taxes you have to pay. Probably the biggest payroll deduction you will see is for federal income taxes. And if you also live in a state that charges income tax, amounts will likely be withheld for this too. In both cases, these are estimates of what you will actually owe when you file your tax return. And they're based on information you provided on the W-4 you gave the HR department. Because it is not a perfect estimate, taxpayers will often get tax refunds at the end of the year for paying too much out of their paychecks. The federal government requires your employer to withhold more than just income taxes. You are also responsible for paying employment taxes too. Employment taxes that you pay go directly to fund Social Security and Medicare. The amounts you see withheld will usually equal about 8% of your earnings, most of which goes towards Social Security. Social Security and Medicare decreased to about 6% for 2011. One good thing about these employment taxes is that the amounts you pay are only half of what is actually owed. The IRS requires your employer to pay the other half. For more tax tips and guidance, visit TurboTax.com.